Good morning, everybody. I feel like I have makeup on my face, which I didn't wear any yesterday, but it is currently 8:41. I tried sleeping on my back last night, like just lay on my back. I don't like doing it because I still have my hematoma from when I fell down the stairs 2 months ago, and I can't fully lay on my back flat. The bed is not that bad, but when I lay on the floor, it really hurts. But I tried laying on my back. My neck still really hurts. I just put a heating pad on it when I got up this morning. That helped out a lot, but you know, I can't sit down for a long time because I got 2 children. Kids are eating breakfast right now. I am starting to work on my project that I wanted to work on. I really need something to relax me and focus on, and I'm doing multiple projects right now, you guys. I know it's crazy, but this is the way I work. When I have ADD, I want to work here, there. It's just, I have to do it. I will work on the basement more when Charlotte takes a nap. I'm hoping to work on it for at least, you know, an hour today. Charlotte, don't do that. She's dumping all her stuff off her plate. But I'm hoping, you know, just to get a bunch of stuff done today, you know, and it's supposed to be a scorcher today. So we are not going anywhere. I am probably going to blow up one of the pools that I got at Walgreens last year. Last year, you guys, I bought a ton of pools. What?
There's like a gun blaster, a gun fight.
Yeah, we'll have a water gun fight today too.
Yeah, it said I filled it up and I didn't use it yet.
Yeah. So yeah, I bought a bunch of pools, you know, last year, and Graham's just like, why? And I'm like, well, here's the thing. The pools are fun to have, but it sucks storing them during the winter because, you know, here if there's a little bit of water in it, it freezes. So I'm just gonna throw it away at the end of the year. I paid $3 for those pools. It was like, I think I paid $3 or $4 for it, maybe $5. But those pools are expensive. And you know what? If it's gonna last us all summer long and I only spent a couple bucks, I'm totally fine with that. I also got a ton of squirt guns, so looking forward to that. But I'm really excited that I'm organizing the basement, you guys. Like, I talked to Graham last night. You know, he just doesn't understand it, but now he's like finally understanding what I've been talking about. Just let me do what I gotta do, Graham. I says it'll be so worth it in the end. It'll be so worth it. He's like, okay, I trust you. And I'm like, see, Graham, that's just all I ask. The only thing that sucks is I really want to go to IKEA because their totes are really tough. I have other totes, which I might use those for the time being until, I don't even know if IKEA is even open. But I might use those. It all depends on what can fit in the shelves. The IKEA ones do, and I want clear ones. So, still working on stuff like that, but I do feel like I got a couple of things accomplished. I'm ready to, you know, get the rummage sale next week. I'm just so excited for this month, you guys. June is going to be the month. I'm trying to keep my mind busy with, you know, stuff that's going on at the house, like cleaning, like I do every single day. But I really want to organize. I really want to do my coupons and all that stuff. Benjamin, stay over there. Kid doesn't have clothes on again. We gotta get you dressed. But that is what I'm focusing on for the month of June. I want to get a lot of stuff done. I want to, you know, do more cups and do more Cricut stuff for you guys. I think I'm gonna try to do like a craft show this fall. Otherwise, I'm gonna make a bunch of stuff and then just sell it on the internet, like locally in my area. That's what I plan on doing because I have so much craft stuff that I want to get rid of, and why not just make some stuff to see what I can sell. So that is what I'm gonna try to do. I have like a plan of what I gotta do. I just gotta clean up the basement before I start really, you know, going at it with crafts. But I am really working on this one project that it involves like maybe 3,000 pieces, and it's not a puzzle, but I have to touch every single one individually. But you guys will see it. I plan on doing a whole lot more with that, but we will see what happens. I'm gonna finish helping the kids. I don't have to empty. I don't know if I have to empty the dishwasher or load it. I can't remember.
Mom and Auntie, don't do the video. Can we go do the water?
Well, it's not hot quite enough yet, honey. We still have the windows open, so we got to turn the air conditioning on a little bit. But you guys, it's like almost 10 o'clock in the morning. It's already starting to...
I see a bumblebee.
Yeah, it's already starting to get hot out here. But we are filling the pool. I took the biggest one we got. We have actually 3 of these pools. I have a pump that I got from a company to do a review on, and it took me like 5 minutes to pump this up. And now we're letting the water fill. It's gonna take a while for get the water fill. I'm also gonna have a little tote next to the pool so the kids can put their feet in there so we don't get grass in there, but it's getting there. I just put some sunscreen on Benjamin to let it settle. Charlotte's gonna be taking a nap soon.
It looks like the Eiffel Tower.
Looks like the Eiffel Tower? Yeah, it looks kind of like the #1. You excited to go swimming?
Looks like you. That looks like the Capitol. Hey, how my ball get the tree?
I don't know. Hey, you guys, it is currently 4:55. We've been playing in the pool a lot this afternoon. Charlotte took like 2 short naps today, so I really couldn't go down to the basement, which is fine. I'm just getting the kids ready for dinner, but we had a good old time in the pool. I really could not record because I was in the water with the kids. Ben and I were playing with a squirt gun. Charlotte, I had to stand right next to her just in case, you know, she slipped and fall. I had to be right there. So Benjamin, can you, oh, there you go. So that was basically why I could not bring my camera out there. It was so much fun, you guys. We had so much fun. Ben wants to go back out there right now, but all of our clothes are completely soaked. So I'm letting them dry right now. But yeah, so we had a pretty good day. The stuff that I wanted to get in the mail the other day, my post office called me and said they don't have it, so now I have to wait for the person to respond. She said she was going to resend it to me, so hopefully that happens. But now I gotta wait another week to finish my project. I'm gonna work on the cups later today. I got 4 cups to make, no, 5 cups I gotta make. So we're gonna do that in a little bit. I gotta write down all the details and put them in the cups so then I can have them ready to go. But I'm excited to, you know, get some stuff. June's gonna be a month for me. I don't want June to be negative. I want the month of June to be positive. You know, with everything going in the world right now, there's protests going right now. We have like an interstate from like one side of town to the other, and I heard like it's closed because there's people protesting right now. So it's just safe being at home, but loving it, loving it, loving it. Ben and I were having so much fun in the pool. I mean, I got the pool 90% off, the water toys that are in there. Are we watching Barbie?
No, that's for
an ad?
That's for YouTube. No,
okay. But the stuff that we played in the pool is all the stuff I got last year for 90% off. And if you guys need pools this year, I would definitely start looking now because they are going to be hard to find with all the regular pools. Like my area, the pools are closed. So we got that going on, but I'm going to start picking up a little bit. The house is not that bad. Like, I had a nice serious chat with Grandma. I says, I do things. You just don't see it because I do such little, I mean, I do more detail than do the big thing. But I've been really keeping up at keeping the living room clean. I mean, it's walkable. We don't have to trip over anything. But I got to put some dishes in the dishwasher, so I'm going to do that. And then start working on my cups. But yeah, I'm just having a good old day. I finally posted my wreath that I've been wanting to post for like 2 months. I'm also going to work on my wreath again. I haven't touched that. But now since my one project that I really, really wanted to work at is at a halt, we're going to put the other wreath together later tonight. So I'm probably just going to sit back and watch a movie tonight because I just want to sit back and relax. I have not had one of those. They added Fuller House on Netflix, the last and final season. So I'm on like episode 3. And then I still need to finish the Clarita Diet, or Santa Clarita Diet. Those are the 2 shows that I am right now currently watching, and I want to finish probably in the next week. But yeah, you guys, I'm not going to be negative this month. I really want to be positive. June is going to be an awesome month for me to get things done, me to get rid of things, me just to do a lot of stuff and not think about what is going on in the outside world. I'm going to be positive about this. I'm going to be happy that I get to be with my family. I am safe at home, and that is all I'm going to think about. So I'm going to continue figuring out, we're going to have leftovers for dinner is what Charlotte and I are going to have leftovers. Ben, I'm making him some corn dogs. So that is what we're going to do, and I will catch you guys back in a bit. Probably later tonight when the kids are getting ready for bed. So
okay, you guys, so there is a nasty storm coming. The wind is so strong. I had to go out there and grab a bunch of stuff. I don't even know. Our pool should be fine. But you guys, just look outside. Like, look at it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is super strong. Ben just ran outside. He's Benjamin, come on, honey. Benny Pooh! But it is so strong. I mean, the garbage is too over. Let's grab my computer screen. But you guys, it's just crazy. There's lightning. So before I'm gonna put this part before I said goodbye. I was just reading the comments. I usually kind of just sit back and respond to the comments. I don't even know what to say. Like, who the heck is this person? Jen's biggest hater with a picture of myself and that. So guess what? You're getting reported because that's my profile picture. And I'm reporting the user because it is her impersonation, because they're using mine. I don't know what to use for that. But seriously, you guys, report whoever this is. This is a jerk. Like, who does this? Really? Okay, now back to hey you guys. My vlog. So it is currently, I look like crap. It is currently 8:52. I have changed my outfit 3 times today because I got soaking wet. Ben sprayed me, and then I just put my pajamas on for the... Charlotte's getting tired. I gotta put her to bed. Come here. Come here. Oh, honey. Okay. So it's starting to rain like crazy. Yeah, it wasn't even lightning near us. It was lightning like the next town over. So that was what I was recording. Now it's just raining like cats and dogs. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see outside. You probably can. Yeah, it's like just crazy raining. But that's fine. Totally fine with me. The grass is getting... You gotta tell... Nope. Okay, what?
I went outside with Jordan.
Yeah, he was outside with the neighbor girl. Okay, yeah. So, I started working on my designs and then I got... It's really hard, you guys, to get stuff done. Like, people are like, why don't you get stuff done? Exactly. She's always clinging to me, and then Ben constantly today wanted me to go outside when she was sleeping, and it was just like I can't be in 2 places at the same time. But like I said, June is going to be a positive month for me. We're going to get a lot of stuff done. I mean, it's only the 2nd. I mean, my mom... Ben, just... Okay, when she comes down in a week, honey. So, my mom's not coming down for like another week, but... You know what? Let's see what I can get done. She might sleep like 5 sleeps. Okay, 5 or 6 sleeps. So, I'm hot as all heck. I'm like sweating. I had to turn the air down because I am just like sweating. My hair's getting all poofy because I'm hot as all heck. But I'm gonna get this little munchkin to bed. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Okay, I'll see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. And catch you guys all later. Bye-bye.